Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the creamiest and tastiest baobab drink from scratch. Let's get right into the video. I have two whole baobab fruits, the big one and a small one, but I ended up using only the big one, so I used only the big one in this video. I'll go ahead and crack it open, then I will take the fruits out. And here we have our baobab fruits all ready for us to use, so I'll go ahead and show you all the ingredients. So here we have some powdered milk, sugar, and then of course our baobab fruits, and then some water. I'll start by transferring the baobab fruits into a bigger bowl, then I'll add warm water enough to cover the baobab fruits. You can allow this to sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on the time you have. So I'll go ahead and cover this and allow it to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. After about 30 minutes, this is what we have. So as we can see, our baobab is soaked already. So it's now time for us to separate the seeds from the fruit so that we can get rid of the seeds. At this point, the ladle was not doing justice to it, so I washed my hands and then used my hand to mash it very well. Now we have successfully separated the seeds from the juice, so go ahead and sieve it for the first time. And after our first straining, this is what we have. It looks so yummy. Now I'll add more water to it and strain it again so that I can extract more of the fruit. So we don't need the seeds, we'll get rid of this. And here we have our baobab juice. We are going to strain it again for the second time to make sure that it's very smooth. After straining it for the second time, this is what we have. Now I'm going to pour our milk into another bowl, then I'll add some warm water to it and mix it very well until there are no lumps. You can actually add it directly to the baobab juice, but I decided to do it this way because I feel it's easier this way. So after mixing the milk very well, I'll go ahead and transfer the baobab juice into the milk. Our baobab drink looks so creamy already. The last thing I'll be adding is sugar. If you want, you can use condensed milk instead of sugar. You can use any type of sweetener you want, but I'll be adding a little sugar to this. Remember, the baobab itself is somehow sweet, so you add the sugar according to your taste. After that, you can go ahead and add vanilla essence or any flavor of your choice, but I won't be adding any flavor to mine. And that is it. Our baobab drink is ready. This is best served chilled, so you can allow it to chill, then you go ahead and serve. And trust me, this is one of the creamiest baobab juice ever. We went ahead and tied some in rubbers like so. So allow this to sit in the freezer for some number of hours until they are well frozen. After tying our baobab drinks, this is what we have, and this is what they look like after they were frozen. They tasted so creamy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.